So we have a Moxie Manager file, and we may need to delete some of those files out of our Moxie Manager folder. I want to take a couple of minutes to walk you through how to delete files that you know you do not need out of your Moxie Manager. When you log into Wolfden, you will see your home page. Under the submenu of Access Options, you're going to see the Moxie Manager folder right here in your home page. When you click on Moxie Manager and you open it, you can see the various folders that you may have created or files. So in this instance, I've created a number of different folders with courses that I work with, in addition to having an onslaught of files that are not organized in any way, shape, or form. I can see the date that they were modified or added to Moxie Manager. I can see their file size. Most of these are under 1 megabyte, so they're pretty small files. But there's a couple of things in here that I may not need. Now, I have gone through and I have organized many of the assets that I have uploaded to Moxie Manager, and I have them in particular folders. And again, these are with courses that I work with, or at least I have at this point. So I am going to remove a couple of files. One of the things that I'm going to go ahead and remove is I'm going to remove this because it's a duplicate file. I'm also going to remove this MP4 1 megabyte file, and this MP4 that's also 5 megabytes. So I can at least open up 6 megabytes on our server. There may be some other files that you might need to remove as well. Warning, with Moxie Manager, you cannot preview these files unless you actually place them into something you're working in Wolfden. So if you aren't sure what this is before you delete it, you'll actually have to place it into an assignment or add it to an assignment in Wolfden in order to see what that file actually is, if you don't remember. So I've got 3 files here selected to delete. I want to go to the Manage icon, click on that drop-down menu, and I am going to remove them. Again, if you are not sure of what that file is, you can always download it back to your computer and look at it. And then if you decide you need to delete it, then delete it from there. But you want to remove. So remove in this instance is the same thing as delete. So I'll click on remove. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay. And boom, they are now removed from my Moxie Manager. So that is the best way to go forth and remove any files that you do not need in your Moxie Manager. Thank you.